Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Learning Board is probably one of the most exciting educational tools available for young children. It's designed to make learning fun and interactive, covering a wide range of subjects from letters and numbers to shapes and colors. This video will dive deep into what makes this learning board stand out, exploring its features, benefits, and how it can help your child develop essential skills in a playful way. Let's explore the world of interactive learning. Number 5. HAHALAND Montessori Busy Board for Toddlers. This busy board is designed to keep your toddler engaged and entertained. It's packed with activities that encourage independent play and learning. This board includes life skills, alphabet, numbers, shapes, colors, animals, and weather activities. It's everything toddlers love, all in one place. The board features 15 sensory toys to teach essential skills like dressing and fastening. Inspired by Montessori methods, it builds fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. With 26 letters, 10 numbers, colors, shapes, animals, and weather elements, this toy is perfect for developing cognition. The parts attach with hooks and loops for easy sorting and matching. Made from durable felt fabric, this board is built to last. The soft yet sturdy design ensures safe and long-lasting play. It's also beautifully packaged, making it a great gift. Its compact size fits perfectly in diaper bags, and it has a handle for easy carrying. It's an excellent choice for travel, offering screen-free entertainment. What we like. This busy board is packed with activities to teach essential life skills like zipping and buttoning. It also includes alphabet, number, and shape learning. If you are looking for a screen-free way to keep your toddler entertained and learning on the go, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The learning board is a great tool for teaching children about different shapes and colors. The board is well made and durable, able to withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The interactive features of the board, such as the lights and sounds, keep children engaged and entertained. Number 4. Hadley designs educational posters for classroom. These posters are designed with kids in mind. They are waterproof, tear-resistant, and made to last. You can even write on them. Whether it's online learning or in the classroom, these posters are a great tool. They complement books and flashcards, making learning interactive. Created by a pre-K teacher, these posters are perfect for educators and parents alike. They're designed to make learning fun and engaging for children. The set includes 16 educational posters covering various topics. From the alphabet to the solar system, it offers a wide range of learning opportunities without screens. These posters are made with high-quality materials and designed with attention to detail. They are easy to hang and perfect for any learning environment. What we like. These posters are designed to be waterproof and tear-resistant, perfect for withstanding the wear and tear of daily use. They cover a wide range of subjects, from ABCs to the solar system, making learning fun and interactive. If you're a teacher or a parent looking to create an engaging learning environment, these posters are a must-have. What people say. The learning board is a great tool for teaching children about shapes, colors, and numbers. The board is well made and durable, with bright colors and engaging activities. It helps children develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Number 3. Gamenote Alphabet Letters Kit for Kids. Introducing the Gamenote Alphabet Letters Kit, designed for young learners. This kit is perfect for helping kids learn to spell and recognize letters. This kit includes 234 letters in 8 bright colors, plus a double-sided magnetic board. It has everything needed to spell common words and sentences. Every color, shape, and material is selected with young learners in mind. The letters are made of soft-touch EVA foam, perfect for little hands. The magnetic board can be written and drawn on, and it's easy to erase. Each box has a letter code for easy organization and learning. The letters have full-cover magnets on the back, so they won't fall off. The texture is soft, washable, and perfect for children aged 4 to 12, with younger kids needing parental supervision. It's easy for a child to carry outside. Whether at home, preschool, kindergarten, or elementary school, it's a great tool for teaching. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive set of magnetic letters in various colors, perfect for spelling and early literacy. The double-sided magnetic board is great for writing and drawing. If you are looking for a fun and interactive way to teach your child the alphabet and spelling, this is a great option. What people say. The learning board is a great tool for teaching children the alphabet and numbers. The board is well made and durable, with bright colors and clear illustrations. It has a variety of activities to keep children engaged, including puzzles, games, and writing practice. Number 2. HAHALAND Busy Book for Toddlers 1 to 3. This Montessori-inspired busy board features 20 activities across 10 pages. It helps enhance hand-eye coordination and develop self-care skills. It encourages a proactive spirit of learning and exploration. Designed with real-life tasks like lacing and buttons, it enhances fine motor skills. It helps children develop good living habits and improve hand muscle control. This is an essential early educational tool. Explore shapes, numbers, colors, and farm animals with this interactive toy. Features like finger toys and spinning windmills engage sensory development. It's designed for endless exploration and fun. Crafted from high-quality, thickened fabric, it's soft yet durable. It meets toy safety standards, and all accessories are integrated. This makes it an ideal gift for toddlers aged 1 to 3. Its compact size makes it perfect for home, restaurants, or travel. It keeps toddlers quiet and engaged during journeys. This travel-friendly design makes outings more pleasant. This busy board encourages independent play actively. It helps children become self-sufficient explorers. It also gives parents some valuable alone time. What we like. This busy book is designed with real-life tasks like lacing and buttoning to enhance fine motor skills. It also includes cognitive and sensory activities. If you have a toddler who loves to explore and learn through play, this busy book will be a great companion for travel. What people say. The learning board is a great tool for teaching children about different shapes and colors. The board is well made and durable, able to withstand regular use by young children. The interactive features, such as the ability to light up and make sounds, keep children engaged and entertained. Number 1. SaFeli Toddler Busy Board, Educational and Travel Toy. This busy board has 12 pages of activities to keep your little one engaged for hours. It includes fine motor skills practice, preschool learning activities, and even outer space elements to spark their imagination. The zip pocket helps to keep small items organized. This sensory toy is designed based on preschool education concepts. It helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and cognitive abilities. Children can build confidence and foundational knowledge through self-directed discovery with it. Your child's safety is the priority. Made from high-quality, non-toxic soft felt with reinforced stitching, it has no hard edges or loose parts. Every component is securely fixed, creating a durable and tactile experience. It's a trusted choice for preschool classrooms and parents. With its captivating artwork and educational value, this busy board is more than a toy. It's an investment in a child's development. It is the ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion for curious boys and girls. Designed for modern families, this busy book is the perfect travel essential. It fits easily into any diaper bag or backpack. It keeps your child engaged and happily occupied anywhere, anytime. What we like. This busy board offers 12 pages of activities, including fine motor skills and preschool learning. It's designed with child-safe construction, ensuring durability and safety. If you are looking for a comprehensive and safe learning toy for your toddler, this is a great choice. What people say. The learning board is a great tool for teaching children the alphabet and numbers. The board is well designed and easy for children to use. The interactive features keep children engaged and entertained. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.